Hi, Carver artists. Mrs. Ryan here. Today's a little bit different, or this week is a little bit different, I mean. There's no school on Tuesday, November 3rd, because of Election Day, so we won't have our Google Meets like we normally do. So I just wanted to make a video to connect with you this week and go over what needs to be completed in the texture folder, just in case you haven't done that yet, okay? So just like every art class, we're going to start today with our art affirmation, and I know you're going to do it with the video just because it's so helpful and you love it so much, okay? So we're going to do it all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I am positive. You are creative. I am calm. I am safe. Give yourself an extra squeeze for Mrs. Ryan because I love you so much. You are amazing. We are artists. Boom. Nice job. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the 5th grade folder as I'm going through this demo, but 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade, you're all doing the same work, okay? So by the time you look at this, the update's going to be different because this video that you're watching right now will be in that update, so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully you see it because you're watching this video. If you missed it, I added in some Halloween art readings that I recorded last week because I had some that relate to Halloween and art, and that just seemed very timely. So here is the texture folder. It's called 1026 to 11/6, Unit 1, Elements of Art, Learning Set 3, Texture. So 1026 was last Monday, that's when I opened the folder, and 11/6 is this Friday, that's when everything's due. So the narration just reads through this folder description, and then down here I just showed you an example of how you can create textures in art. So you're going to click on the folder name, and I'm in the teacher view. You're going to be seeing the student view, so it's going to be a little bit different. And hopefully your internet is quicker than mine because it's very slow as I'm recording this. You will see that there are 5 things in this folder. You're going to start at the top and work your way down. So you're going to click on Getting Started first. And it should open up faster than mine. Fingers crossed for the internet, everybody. All right, so it could take you to the Element of Art texture. It's just an introduction page. So there's a video to watch about texture. There's artworks to look at and talk about. And of course, I've added in narrations for all of the text on all of the pages. After you've watched the video, looked at the picture, and it's going to take you to the Learn About Texture page. Hopefully. Here it comes. Here we go. I need your fingers crossed for this stuff. That's why the internet's not working very well today. All right, so this page just goes a little bit more in depth about texture. Okay, it talks about actual texture, and actual texture is something you can feel. And then you will also be learning about implied texture. And implied texture is something you can see. So you can't feel it, but you can see it. So these are examples of drawings and artworks that show texture, but if you were to actually touch it, you wouldn't feel texture. So that's the difference. Okay? So you'll listen to this, read through this, look at these images. Then you're going to click on Next at the top. And this should take you to a Google Drive, like a Google Slide assignment. And your view is going to look slightly different than mine because, again, I'm in the teacher view. And because hopefully yours is going to load quicker than mine does. Maybe, perhaps, fingers crossed. Here we go. Here we go. In the following Google Slides assignment, follow the prompts to learn about and create textures. Activities include drag creations and written responses. Please remember to hit submit when you finish the assignment. So again, it's a Google Drive assignment, or Google Slides assignment, where similar to the shape one, you're going to click and drag things. You're going to write short answers to describe texture, okay? This is just practice. This is just for you. Then this folder is a little bit different because there are going to be 2 assessments that you have to complete. Let me go back into the folder. So when you're back in the folder, you're going to see 2 assessments at the bottom. One is show what you know about texture, and that's you're just answering questions about just texture. The next one is Unit 1 assessment. You're going to answer questions about line, shape, and texture because that's what we've learned about so far. Okay, so this stuff needs to be done by Friday. The shape and line folders are also still available, so if you need to finish up that work, it's there for you to do, okay? I know that everything changes every week. It's not always fun. I promise you that adults are just trying to keep you safe, and hopefully they're trying to keep other adults safe, okay? But just do your best this week. I will miss you, and I will be thinking of you tomorrow, even though we're not having our meets like we normally would, okay? Do your work. Do your best. I love you. I miss you. And I will see you next week on Tuesday for our Google Meets. Okay? Bye, friends.